Welcome to our video on date functions, a powerful tool for finance professionals.
In our Excel table, we have the joining date of an employee in cell C5. Now let's calculate the exact number of years, months, and days since their joining date as of today. Watch how ChatGPT simplifies creating a complex formula to achieve this seamlessly. First, type or paste your requirements into ChatGPT to generate a formula that can be easily copied and used.
Now, follow these simple steps. Step 1. Gather the necessary details to create a formula that calculates the difference in years, months, and days. Step 2. Paste or type this information into ChatGPT and hit the small up arrow button to submit. Step 3. Copy the formula generated by ChatGPT. Step 4. Paste the formula into the appropriate Excel like C5. And just like that, the years, months, and days appear instantly. No need to memorize complex formulas anymore. ChatGPT has you covered. Thank you for watching. Calculating periods in years, months, and days has countless practical applications, like determining employee tenure, tracking loan durations, calculating asset depreciation, monitoring investment performance, managing contracts, and even tracking subscriptions and credit periods. At dFix, we bring you innovative solutions by blending ChatGPT with MS Excel for real-world problems. Stay tuned for more practical tips and tools in our upcoming videos. If you found this helpful, don't forget to subscribe, like, and share your thoughts in the comments. Let's simplify Excel together. See you in the next video.